If the pictures from Mogadishu Primary School in Kakuma are anything to go by, then the government has a huge task ahead in implementing the new curriculum.
And as Makori Ongechi reports, stuffy and congested classrooms with learners sitting on the floor were evident during a recent visit to some of the schools in Turkana.
Images that invited Education PS, Dr. Belio Kipsang and the UNHCR officials to Mogadishu Primary in Kakuma. The agenda was to assess the implementation of the new curriculum and see its effectiveness in Turkana County. These pictures of an overcrowded classroom and shortage of space, perhaps making it difficult for the over 170 learners here to concentrate. The conditions seemingly limiting the amount of time the teachers here can spend on innovative teaching methods or on teaching anything beyond the bare minimum required by the competency-based curriculum. Dr. Kipsang, who witnessed the challenges, says the government is determined to ensure it delivers on the CBC.
We acknowledge the congestion that are in these schools, but they are trying to live within the means that is there to ensure that our children are able to benefit from education that we provide to them as a country.
Some of the teachers who spoke to Citizen TV say the government has given out 13 books per subject, an indication that an average of 20 learners in this class, for instance, are sharing a copy.
We were able to see and we realized that they also have, though not in adequate numbers, is that they have our books, the CBC books, which have gone through vetting with KICD, and we shall continue to encourage them to be able to work with government so that we can see ways in which, through the partnership with through UNDAF and the other frameworks that are there, that these children are able to realize their full potential.
Mogadishu Primary School is one of the government schools that largely has been integrated to accommodate refugees. A big chunk of the pupils here are refugees, with the ministry officials revealing that this is perhaps the reason the government is finding it difficult to distribute the available resources. Last week, Education CS Professor George Magoha launched a 26-member task force that seeks to advise on the implementation of the new curriculum. And even as the government, through the Ministry of Education, seeks to deliver on the competency-based curriculum in every part of this country, critics continue to argue that it needs to put more in infrastructure and other resources effective for the success of this curriculum. Makori Ongechi, Citizen TV in Kakuma, Turkana County.